So I'm just going to ask you a couple questions about this website. It's in front of you right now. So when the website first opens up, or you first start looking at it, what's the first thing that catches your eye?
I think it's these two boxes, more specifically, the blue letters, and then this icon right here, just because these boxes are lightly shaded, but they definitely stand out with the orange other colors.
Okay, thanks. So on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate this homepage in aesthetics, look, overall feel, usability, stuff like that? Just
Definitely.
overall.
I mean, I'd give a solid 8.5.
Mm-hmm.
It's simple, bright, welcoming. Looks
Cool.
good.
Awesome, thanks. So on this as a whole, is there anything that you would change about this one, about this page in general?
Um, Not really. I like the layout. It looks good.
Okay, thank you. So now imagine you're coming to this site and you were trying to get a job, and you were trying to figure out if we were hiring. Where's the first place you would go to try to find the job?
Contact us.
Okay.
And we're hiring.
Okay. And so now, when you're on this page, how easy is it for you to tell how many jobs we have available right now?
It's very easy. They're all listed here.
Okay.
Job title, and then if there were another job, it'd probably, be below that.
Right. Okay. So if you're like, okay, I want this job, or I want to try to, submit an inquiry for this job, how would you go about doing that? Oh, perfect. Okay.
Yeah, inquire now.
Touche. Well, okay. So now that you're on the Contact Us page, what's your first thought regarding this form in general? So is it user-friendly? Does it look user-friendly?
I think so because it's simple. It's not, regardless of what the information you're getting, there's five fields, and so it's easy to it'd be easy to contact you.
Right. Okay. And when you submit a Contact Us form, where do you normally want it to route you to? Like, what are your thoughts? Where would you like to go after you submit the form?
Oh, I think I'd like to go to another page that would say something along the lines of thank you, here are like assets of Blurp It, or like here are some, positives that aren't necessarily on the same homepage. So you feel as if you're getting more information than just the average schmo.
Yeah, that's a good one. So now, could you just submit this form possibly? You don't have to fill it with legitimate information. You can just ramble off with whatever you want. The email just has to be in the form of any email. So it could be anything at anything dot anything.
This keyboard is really small.
And it's not big.
Phone. And let's see, job inquiry.
So try ending it with .com. Anything. Just had to make sure the validation works. Perfect. And the phone number, I think it has to be 10 digits, right? Is it 10? There you go. Perfect. Okay, so now that you've landed on this page, is this kind of what you would look for after you submit the form?
I'd like a little bit more information.
Okay. Maybe some, like, underneath there? Okay. What do you think about the fact that it routes you back to the homepage?
Ultimately, I think that's a good idea. Like I said, I think that if you added just a few like key points, or maybe some images,
right,
it would make it it would catch the person who's applying's eye a little bit more.
Okay, awesome. Well, thank you very much.